Hi guys, Tara Bentley, Executive Director for Indiana Association of Home Educators, otherwise known as IAHE, and I am so excited to announce one of our keynote speakers is here with me, the incredible Zan Tyler. Zan is a homeschool pioneer and, in my mind, a homeschool rock star, and I'm so excited to have her as a part of our 2020 convention.
Oh, Tara, I'm so excited to be here. I love Indiana, and I can't wait to be with moms and encourage them about cultivating their child's potential, the benefits of homeschooling, the joys of homeschooling, and then we may talk a little bit about the hard times of homeschooling, burnout, the weaknesses and limitations we feel, and how God always meets us there. So I just think it's nothing but exciting.
I'm really looking forward to it. So everybody make sure you mark your calendar March 27th and 28th, 2020, and we'll all be together in Indianapolis, and I'm excited you're coming.
Oh, thank you. I'm so excited to be there. And we're also going to talk about, do your kids know why they're being homeschooled and why that's so important?
Amazing. Okay, great. Mark your calendar. We will see you all there.